Did you know the NHS is celebrating its 75th birthday this year? Let's take a look at some more information about the NHS and why it is unique. The NHS stands for the National Health Service in the UK. People who work in the NHS try to keep us healthy. They help us when we are hurt or feeling sick. And we celebrate the birthday every year. But why do we celebrate the NHS's birthday? The NHS was the first free health service care system for anyone that needed it. Today, millions of people use it every day. We celebrate its birthday every year to remember how important it is. But how does the NHS work? Everyone who lives in the UK can use the NHS if they are feeling poorly or sick. The government has a special way of collecting money to pay for it. These are called taxes. People pay a part of their money in taxes to fund the NHS. Life before the NHS could be very hard for people if they were sick and had to seek treatment from a doctor. Only wealthy people could afford to go to the hospital or buy medicine needed to make them better. If the person did not have enough money, they simply did not have the help they needed. So who started the NHS? Well, this was a man called Aaron Bevan, and he decided to change things. He wanted everyone to be able to see a doctor no matter how much money they had. He was from Wales and he worked in the government. After the Second World War, he was chosen as the Minister for Health in the UK. His job was to think about how to keep everybody healthy. He started the National Health Service on the 5th of July 1948. The National Health Service continues to allow every person in the UK to access free medical help, treatment and advice. Unlike many other countries, there is no bill to pay at the end of treatment. July 2023 marks 75 years of the NHS. A wide range of activities have been organised to celebrate this important birthday, including photography competition, school talks, tea parties and fun runs across the UK. So, how will you be celebrating the 75th birthday of the NHS? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.